Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alfidin Sharifah with the student number 188215049, study program English Education in Pancasakti Bakasi University. I want to explain the introduction to linguistic material syntax linguistic lecture Francie Embedded. Syntax, the rules or the component of material grammar that represent speakers' knowledge structure of phrases and sentence. Grady states that syntax is the system of rules and categories that underline sentence formation in human language. In other words, syntax is the study of sentence pattern of language. Next, the rules of syntax. The rules of syntax combine word into phrases and phrases into sentence. Among other things, the rules specify the correct word order for a language. For example, English is a subject, verb, object. SVO, language. Examples: the president nominated a new Supreme Court justice. President, the new Supreme Justice Court nominates. Next. A second important rule of the syntax is how words from group in a sentence, or how they are hierarchically arranged with respect to one another. Consider the following sentence: the captain ordered all old men and women of the sinking ship. All old men and women is ambiguous, but we can modify like old men and women. The adjective old modified but men and women. Next. Syntactic category. Syntactic category is a set of words and or phrases in a language which share a significant number of common characteristics. Syntactic categories commonly include 1. Part of speech, determiner, adjective, noun, pronoun, preposition, adverb, auxiliary, verb, etc. Number 2, phrase structure grammar, noun phrase, adjective phrase, verb phrase, adverb phrase, preposition phrase, and number 3, sentence as the core and the structure. Next, the syntactic categories are illustrated in a tree diagram called phrase structure tree by supplying the name of the syntactic category of each word grouping. These names are often referred to as syntactic labels, usually read by the initial of the categories, such as sentence, verb phrase, noun phrase, adjective phrase, preposition, determine, verb, and noun. Sentence label S. Determiner label GET. Adjective label ADG. Adverb label ADV. Noun label N. Verb label V. Pronoun label PRO. Preposition label P. Auxiliary verb label AUX. Preposition phrase PP. Adverb phrase label ADGP. Adjective phrase label ADVP. Noun phrase label NP. And the last verb phrase label VP. And next, phrase. A phrase is a sequence of words or a group of words arranged in a grammatical construction and functions as a unit in a sentence. There are 5 commonly occurring types of phrase. There are noun phrase, NP, adjective phrase, ADGP, verb phrase, VP, adverb phrase, ADVP, preposition phrase, PP. And next, noun phrase. A noun phrase refers to a phrase that builds upon a noun which functions as the head word of the phrase. Example: the professor devoured his 6th page with gusto. The professor in P. His 6th page in P. Gusto in P. 2. The king of France had an unhappy life. The king and P, unhappy life and P. Next, adjective phrase. An adjective phrase refers to phrase that modifies a noun. It's built upon an adjective which functions as the head word of the phrase. Example: the man with the monstrously ugly umbrella. Monstrously ugly, ADGP. 2. She seemed extremely pleasant. Extremely pleasant, ADGP. Next, verb phrase. A verb phrase refers to a phrase that's composed of at least one verb and the dependent of the verb, in which the verb functions as the head word of the phrase. Examples: 1. The children put the toy. Put the toy, VP. Number 2. The chef cooks the soup. Cooks the soup, VP. Next, adverb phrase. An adverb phrase refers to a phrase that often plays the role of telling us when, where, why, or how, and even occurred in which the adverb functions as the head word of the phrase. Examples: number 1, Ken snored very lonely. Very lonely is EDVB. Number 2, he ran very quickly. Very quickly is ADVB. Next, preposition phrase. A preposition phrase refers to a phrase that begins with a preposition functions as the head word of the phrase. Examples: number 1, a pleasant unicorn from Malakanda. From Malakanda is PP. Number 2, the oldest city in Canada. In Canada is PP. Next, phrase structure 3. Phrase structure 3, also called consistent structure 3, is a tree diagram with syntactic category information provided. A phrase structure 3 shows that a sentence is both linear string of words and a hierarchical structure with a phrase nested in the phrase. Combination of phrase structure. A phrase structure 3 is a formal device for representing speakers' knowledge about phrase structure in speech. Next, for instance, we can make the phrase structure free the following sentence: The trees in the park are unhappy. Sentence: NP, VB, NV, D, Z, D, and trees. PP, P, in, NP, Z, D, noun, park. VP, V, verb, are. ADGP, ADG, unhappy. And thanks for watching and listening to material syntax linguistic, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.